Please give 'em help, darling, don't be a ne'er-do-well. Just keep on fixing stuff up around the house. Always do your best, and don't you leave a mess. Call yourself, do it yourself down. Hello folks, today we're going to be talking about a couple of items involved with a minor plumbing setback. The hoses here connect to the wall supply and to the faucet. And now on the comp side, COMP, short for compression, this cap comes off in this little ring, and these items are involved with copper piping. And but you don't really need these two items the way we're doing it. It just they hooks right onto the faucet. Now the other side is supposed to hook onto the wall part, and the pipe coming out of the wall is 3/8, but it's I think, let's see, here it is. This is a 3/8 inch pipe right here, but it's different from the 3/8 inch what they're talking about here. I call it FIP, female inside plumbing pipes, female inside pipes, and so this part here has to be larger. It's confusing, and so that's why we're talking to you about it. And here, for example, we want to put shut-off valves coming out of the supply lines, so that at some point, if the faucet's leaking or there's problems, or if you have to take it off and change it, you don't have to turn off your main water. You just turn off your supply lines. And here you can see what I just spoke about a minute ago about the compression side that goes into the faucet. Now this valve here happens to be 1/2 inch, and the ones that the plumbing coming out of the wall is 3/8. And I'll show you that pipe right now. Show you the difference. These are just caps that we had temporarily on there, but you can see the difference in the two. So what we need is valves, and we have valves that are 3/8 on this side to fit that pipe. But the problem is that the back of the vanity has a board across the back, and right where the valves are, the 3/8 supply valves are, it conflicts with that board, so we can't push the vanity all the way back up against the wall, and consequently the door won't close. So we need to run a hose. It'll go under or over the board across the vanity, and then it'll give us a chance to put the shut-off valves in another location and hook up the faucet lines to the shut-off. Thoroughly confused? Well, I didn't mean to get you confused. I'm just trying to elucidate that plumbing sometimes doesn't come easy. It doesn't. It's just, I think they just expect you to know that when they say 3/8, you need a hose 3/8 by 3/8. It doesn't work out in real life. So, at any rate, we've ordered other hoses, and that might solve that problem, which in turn solved another problem. So one thing led to another, and let's see if there's anything else in here to explain this. I guess not. So I guess I'll be signing off, and there'll be future. It's this bathroom rejuvenation is a work in progress. It's just a step at a time, and this vanity business was postponed a long time, and I'm beginning to understand why, because there's certain problems involved. But just be advised ahead of time if you know a home handyman or somebody, or you might even have to call a plumber to take care of business. Certain things just aren't easy. So hope this helps for now. Do it yourself, Del, signing off. Hasta la vista. Thumb up.